The final day of Comicdom CON Athens 2026 celebrates the festival's 20th anniversary, full of energy at Technopolis. It's been 2 decades of growth since 2006, closing with packed halls after 3 days of comics, cosplay, and live events. The last day of the festival brings a mix of comic culture, art, and community that Comicdom CON Athens has become known for. Visitors explored artist booths filled with independent comics and illustrations, while panels and live drawing sessions continued throughout the venue. Cosplayers filled the space with characters from comics, anime, films, and games, adding even more life to the anniversary celebration. Beyond the exhibitions and guest appearances, the event showed the growing influence of comics and visual storytelling in Greece. Over the past 20 years, Comicdom CON Athens has developed into one of the country's biggest pop culture festivals, supporting both established and upcoming creators, while bringing together fans from across Greece and abroad. As the 2026 edition comes to an end, the final day feels less like a closing and more like a celebration of everything the convention has built over 2 decades, a space where artists, fans, and storytelling continue to connect.